Hello everyone, I'm Evgeny Plastinin, the student of Skoltech Institute, and today the subject of my talk is the research proposal. My presentation will take about 7-8 minutes. It consists of two parts. Firstly, I'm going to say a few words about the purpose of research proposal, or RP. And secondly, I'm going to describe common parts and their features of research proposal. So let's start. And first of all, what is a research proposal? Well, it's a document proposing the research project and makes a request for sponsorship. In your proposal, you have to answer 5 questions. What will you research? Why will you research? How long will you research? What will you need for research? And finally, what is desired result? The structure mainly depends on the organization where you apply for it. The subject is also important because, for example, research proposal in history and physics are different. However, we can point out common parts in different research proposals. So let's talk about them. First of all, it's title. Title should be concise and descriptive. Phrases like an investigation of or research of should be omitted. I recommend you to make title short, descriptive and catchy in order to predispose the reader favorably to the proposal. Then you need to write abstract. It's a brief summary of your project. You have to show the research question, reasons, methods and main findings clearly and in a few words. Now I would like to speak about the core of research proposal. Core consists of introduction, literature interview, methods, results and discussions. First of all, it's introduction. The main purpose of introduction is to make clear the question or the problem of your research. It's a very important part because if you fail, the proposal may appear uninteresting or trivial. To prove the significance of proposal, you should describe your question in context of popular area or through historical background of problem and question, or show problem in contemporary context. Also, it's good to state your theory or hypothesis, if any. Setting the boundaries of your proposed research makes the size of the project clear for a reader. It's advantage. For clarifying question why, you should use your literature review, which can be part of introduction or could be separately. You have to ensure that your research is not reinventing the wheel. Also, you can show up your knowledge and competence through critical assessment and observing groundwork of fields or existing literature. However, don't forget that you write your proposal for living people, not for robots. So try to make your literature review like telling a story, not like a list of strict statements, 1, 2, 3. Then, after reviewing, you have to describe methods. Through this part, you show how long your project is and what you are going and how you are going to conduct the research. The recipe for success is that it should contain all sufficient information for the readers to determine methodology. In addition, you need to demonstrate knowledge of alternative methods and prove that your methods are better than others in this way. Next to the methods section, results goals. In this section, you show the desired results. You can't show real results, of course. However, you can sometimes predict the results, and you should prove that your prediction is truly. However, sometimes it's impossible. It's not problem. You just say, I don't know, I can't predict the results. I would like to test my theory or hypothesis. Finally, there is discussion section. There you think about potential impact of your research. You should point out all limitations, weaknesses related to time or financial restrictions, or described by the early stage of your project. Nevertheless, you have to be confident and enthusiastic about your proposal and your project. So that's me bring to the end of my presentation. To sum up, today I've spoken about research proposal. In your research proposal you have to answer 5 questions. What, why, how long, what for, and what is desired result. I've observed common parts of research proposal like title, abstract, introduction, literature review, methods, results, and discussion. To conclude, I would like to say that you write your proposal not for robots, but for real people. So on the one hand, keep it simple and short. On the other hand, keep it creative and enough informative for the readers. I hope my presentation will be useful for you. Thank you for your attention, and bye. Subscribe and like.